Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Lana dress on Dress to Impress. So I think I've done a tutorial on that already, but if you cannot find it anywhere in the dressing room, it's actually on this table right here, which is such an odd placement if I'm being honest. But you're just going to select it and put it on, and that's where the dress is. Again, if you want like the actual dress, I have tutorial on that on my page if I'm not mistaken. You can just find Lana Lore Quest or Lana Maze tutorial. I'm not doing that again because that was something else. That was, I think, the hardest quest I've ever done on Dress to Impress. Like, if I'm being honest, it's like harder than the Halloween. I missed the Halloween one. It was actually pretty fun. I like did that a couple of times. But yeah, that is pretty much where you can find this dress in the map. It's right here again next to the like what is this called? Like a tanning booth. I don't know, like where you can change your skin color, and next to Lana's nail salon. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.